The Rubbermaid TakeAlongs food storage containers are an excellent choice when it comes to storing and organizing your food items. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that these containers offer durability, convenience, and functionality. The brand reputation of Rubbermaid is well known, and they have proven themselves time and again with their high-quality products. The TakeAlongs food storage containers are no exception. Made from sturdy plastic, these containers are built to last. They can withstand the daily rigors of use, ensuring that your food stays fresh and secure. One of the standout features of these containers is their vibrant red color. Not only does it add a touch of style to your kitchen, but it also makes it easy to locate them in a crowded pantry or refrigerator. The color choice is a subtle yet effective way of enhancing the overall user experience. When it comes to material features, Rubbermaid has gone above.